You're like Marilyn's grace, but you're more of a mess than she ever could face. With your wild curls and that movie star smile, you're the Harrison Ford I could chase for a mile.
Oh, please, you're a Clark Gable without a clue. You think you're James Dean, but I just laugh at you. You're like a Bond, but you can't seem to talk. More like a silent movie when we take a walk.
You're like my favorite scene from the silver screen, but you're playing the part of a love I've never seen.
I know you think you're Steve McQueen, but baby, I can see through the Hollywood dream.
If I'm your Marlon Brando and you're my Audrey Hepburn, you know we're like two misfit actors in a cheesy show. We never play the part we're supposed to know. It's a love that's a bit out of line, but we're both here, and I think you're mine. You're my Grace Kelly, so regal, so bright, but I'm no Cary Grant, I'm not that polite. I'm more of a joker like Robert Downey Jr. Still I can't help but love you. You're my inner movie star.
You call me a Judy Garland, but I'm more of a mess, dressed like Julia Roberts, pretending to impress. You think you're Jack Nicholson with your wicked charm, but you're really more like Jim Carrey, causing no harm.
You think you're Bogart, cool and aloof, but you're a fool in a rom-com, that's the truth.
Then you're not Paul Newman, my rebel so cool. You're more like Will Ferrell, breaking all the rules.
If I'm your Marlon Brando and you're my Audrey Hepburn, you know that we're like two misfit actors in a cheesy show. We never play the part we're supposed to know. It's a love that's a bit out of line, but we're both here, and I think you're mine.
I'm your leading man, I'll steal the show.
Even if I'm not the star, I'll never let you go.
You're my Brad Pitt, but a little less refined. In a world of fancy scripts, you're the one I've signed.
If I'm your Marlon Brando and you're my Audrey Hepburn, you know that we're like two misfit actors in a cheesy show. We never play the part we're supposed to know. It's a love that's a bit out of line, but we're both here, and I think you're mine. You're my Haywood Brando,
And you're my Humphrey Bogart.
together we're the stars of our own art.